Napakasimple lang ng pangarap natin before. Makakain ng sabay during break time, makapunta ng mall para makanood ng sine, maging blockmates para mas maraming time together. All of that was just the beginning. Uy,
Hindi ko talaga kahit nahihilo ako, hindi ko talaga sinasabi sa kanya kasi gusto ko surprise talaga. Gusto ko ma-surprise siya.
hey Dad, I am Mom's wedding gift. Oh. Pero yung gift niya sa akin is magiging daddy na po ako. Daddy, daddy, daddy!
11 years with you has been a roller coaster, but thank you for fighting and sticking around when all I can give is just me.